Hi, this is a video how to settings APN Pocket Wi-Fi W05, let's check it out. First, turn on your Pocket Wi-Fi, go to About, SSID and Password, then you can see SSID and Password of Pocket Wi-Fi. Step 2. Take your cell phone or laptop, then connect with Pocket Wi-Fi. Make sure it is connected to Pocket Wi-Fi. Step 3. Open the Safari browser and type this IP address. Caution, before enter the IP address make sure your Pocket Wi-Fi display is off. Tap this to change the language to English and then click PC View. Fill username and password like this video. The password is the last 5 digits of email number on the back of Pocket Wi-Fi. Click Login and then click Later. Step 4. Go to Settings, Profile Settings, click New and then fill all information like this video. Then fill all information like this video. If done, click Save. Step 5. Go back to Pocket Wi-Fi and turn on it, then go to Settings, Profile Management and choose Go to Network Settings, WAN, and choose High Speed plus Area Mode and tap Checklist to apply settings. Return to the home screen on your Pocket, and wait for your Pocket to search for an automatic signal for a while. Caution, don't press this reset button because it will reset your Pocket Wi-Fi, and you have to reset the APN settings again from the initial steps in this video.